So today we are filming the second part to the little surprise video. We got my dad a Borla exhaust for his Challenger, so we're gonna put it on today, or well, Bobby's gonna put it on today.
That's all right. I'll have a crowd in the sidelines cheer me on as I go.
I'm gonna record.
All right, so it's pretty easy. All you'll really need is a socket with a 15 millimeter, and then you'll need a 13 millimeter. After you loosen up those X-pipe bolts, you're gonna wanna remove the bolts that are in the middle where your mid-pipe is, that are the hangers holding the exhaust up. So it's easier just to remove the bolts other than trying to like figgle with the little rubber thing, and it's just way easier to take the bolt off. So yeah, now I just gotta get the bolt right off of the muffler here. Okay.
Going under.
Going down under. And it looks like, okay, yeah, there's two more bolts. So after this mid hanger here, you guys can see, you'll have one more bolt behind the muffler right here, and then another bolt right in front of the muffler. So 4 more in total that I gotta do. And these ones will require an extension, so they're too high up. So I'm gonna have to get the extension.
Okay.
Sweet, that's what I thought. These are 13 millimeter as well. Same with the other hangers on the mid pipe. All right, don't want to tighten it more. Right on the tip, just the tip. All right. American made product, which is a very popular thing nowadays.
Here he goes.
Hey, Aussie accents work on challenges too, you know. They love muscle cars. All right, I gotta do the other side. I'm definitely not the only one who thinks like, oh shit, am I tightening it or am I loosening it? I know the whole righty-tighty thing, but I still get confused. So, if anyone else is out there like that, you're not the only one. Okay. Now. I'm trying to see if I can remove it. Might have to take off the exhaust tip, but I'm trying not to do that.
It's like just barely clearing.
Fuck you, Dodge. Stupid tips. Oh my god, these screws suck to get to. Are you kidding me? This light just died. Fucking bolts stuck in the worst spot. Okay, I think if I just loosen it enough, it should be okay.
Did you have fun with that one?
Busted my hand up. No, I did not. At all. Because these f***ing stupid tips should be quad tips anyway. Okay. Round 2, here we go.
One gloves, babe.
It's already f***ed up. The other one is easier to get off because there's this one thing there. Ah!
You did it!
Mopar is the best par. F you. Oh. Okay, now we gotta try and pull it out. Shut up!
And puppies. My babies. Another 25 minutes later and a lot of fucking wiggling.
Yeah.
That
Holy
was
shit.
torture. Had to use some WD-40 up in there, and it's off. Okay? So, and it's fucking cold out. My fingers are cold.
Love how they didn't label this right and left.
That's good. Now for the really fun part.
It's a little before and after for you. Right.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah. Installing the exhaust, it's the same way as you're taking it off. Start with the front and you want to work your way back. So we're going to start with the X pipe, put it on, and I'll put the rest on.
A little dark out, but we got the first part on here.
Yeah, unfortunately we're shooting this in the fall right now, so we don't have as much daylight. But this will do.
Gotta work with what we got. So you have to use what are those, clamps or clasps? What's the terminology?
It's literally just a clamp. It's the factory clamps from the old exhaust. So we took them off.
They were right there.
And now you gotta put them on the new Borla exhaust. So yeah, a little WD-40 and it'll be fine. And the same thing with the muffler rubber mounts. We're gonna have to do the same thing with those and put them on the new exhaust as well. And you gotta make sure not to switch up the passenger and the driver side because it will matter and they won't fit if you do mix them up.
Yeah, we almost f***ed it up. Well, because on the instructions, you know, because we follow instructions, they didn't label where the bent one should go. And visually I get all messed up with this stuff, okay? So it took me a minute to determine whether it was a left or right perspective, okay? Don't hate. So the bent one goes on the driver's side, okay? We put it on the passenger side first. So we fixed it.
Oh, the things I would do for a headlamp right now.
I like these ones though.
Yeah, it's great, but you know, it's kind of in the way. By the way, when you're doing the mid-pipe hangers, make sure you use a wrench, not your socket, because I got the socket on there, and then when I started to loosen it, the bolt got extended, and then my socket got stuck against the wall, so I literally couldn't get it out, so I had to tighten it again to get it out, and it was loose enough for me to get it by hand, but this is way easier than using a socket. So use your socket and use this wrench and you'll be good to go. Are you recording?
Bobby!
Okay. Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Alright, well, when putting on the factory clamps or the factory rubber mounts, you want to make sure to reattach this little metal part right here onto your exhaust.
Wait, you can't really see it shine. Get on that. There we go. Okay.
You want to make sure you reattach that on there.
All right. Okay.
just one little detail that I wanted to tell you.
Oh, it went into the thing too?
Yeah. It's easy putting them in, but...
Alright, it's kind of dark out now, but it's on! Look how nice it looks.
Can you see?
I got the light.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, it was a little bit of a bitch, but got it on there. I think it looks beautiful. Nice stainless steel, perfect welds.
Yeah. Real nice.
Yeah, looks good. Borla written all over it.
We'll get another clip in the morning.
Yeah, we'll have to get your
For
dad's
sure.
reaction, but we're gonna start it up right now.
Oh yeah.
Does this help at all?
Yeah.
Okay, so seeing how it's an automatic, we can do the push to start.
Too.
All right, here we go.
You ready?
First cold start, V6, Borla S-type exhaust.
Ooh, not bad.
Check for exhaust leaks.
Okay. Much louder than before. Sounds nice.
Yeah, it does. Ready to hear some revs?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, it only lets me go to 4,000 RPM because I think it's in park. I think if I throw it in neutral, it'll let me-
Oh, okay.
Let's see, actually.
Nice. Yeah, she's smoking.
Yeah, it's cold. We should take it for a drive though and make sure it's okay. Really fast. And I kind of want to drive it and see how it sounds on the inside. All right.
Right. Is that a wrap?
What's up?
I'm hungry. I want my spaghetti.
I'm just gonna back it up.
Yeah, well, let me move out of the way. Jeez, it's gonna like run me over. Fucking chair. I like it. Mr. Stang, Mrs. Stang,
And Challenger.
and Challenger.
It's got a nice idle to it too.
Yeah. Hey, at least it now sounds like a muscle car. Before it didn't sound like anything.
No. And now it sounds good.
Yeah. All right. I don't know how I look right now. We've been out in the cold for like 2 hours, but we finished. I think
Yep.
Bobby did a good job.
I think you did a good job too, babe.
Some dirt on it.
It's okay. You should see my hands. They're cut up and all, yeah. Anyway, that's part of it.
All right.
But let me know what you guys think of the new exhaust setup, how you think it sounds. Yes, it's a V6 and it's automatic, but whatever. It's all-wheel drive.
Exactly. It's a perfect winter car, honestly. So please like and subscribe, comment, tell us what you think, and definitely follow us on our Instagram if you don't already, because we post a lot of daily things there, so you can catch some more exhaust notes and all that good stuff.
Yeah, thanks guys.
Okay, later.